Ever since TVs first entered our homes in the 1920s, manufacturers have been trying, and often failing, to make your telly box blend in with the rest of your room. We've even seen TVs so thin that they're bending.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's clearly tough to hide the massive screen in your room, but the new set I'm about to unbox might have nailed it.
Right, this is going to take some doing, so let's get on with it.
Yes, let's get stuck in. So this is the brand new TV from Samsung. It's called The Frame, and it claims to be the most beautiful TV that you have never seen. Oh, gosh. There's lots of bits going on here.
Do you need a hand, kids?
No, we're all right, thanks.
All right.
Let's get it down here.
There you go. This is one of the biggest boxes we've ever unboxed.
I know. So this is a 55-inch TV. It also comes in 43 and 65. But its USP is the fact that it's meant to look like a picture frame. Oh, gosh, it's heavy, isn't it?
It is.
I'll ask again.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, then.
Jolly good. Thanks, Will.
Right.
I'll take the bottom of the box. Or do you want to
Okay.
put it?
There you go.
Well, you're not helping, Ben, just like holding the box.
Oh, it actually looks like it's a...
Oh, I get you.
It weighs a ton.
It does weigh a ton.
Bring the remote over, George.
What are we doing? Are we mounting it?
Yes, mount it up.
We've got men for that. Andy. Here we go.
Anything else in here?
Lost the remote already.
Got it?
It'll be down here in the box here.
Is it? I'm sure it's not in here.
Surely.
Well done. You got it. OK. It's the silver one.
There you go.
This one.
How much is it anyway, George?
So this one is £2,000 for the 55-inch, but the beauty of it is that you know how most TVs look pretty ugly when you're just up in your living room? When we turn this on to standby, it turns into a beautiful piece of artwork.
Wow, that does look like a picture.
That's
£2,000
really good.
is cheaper than a Turner Seascape.
It really is, and it also has a brightness sensor in it. So if we dim the lights now,
Dim the lights.
hopefully we'll also see the image quality change, so it doesn't look like it's... There you go.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's glaringly obvious like a TV. It sort of just looks like genuinely like a piece of artwork.
Which is quite impressive.
That looks OK.
I really like it, especially if you hang your telly, you know, like above your sort of mantelpiece, or it sort of takes centre stage in your lovely cream room. This sort of blends in a lot better. You can also change the artwork, so you don't have to go with just the one that they give you. There's loads of different ones you can choose from. You can upload your own if you wanted to. Let's actually look at the picture quality of the TV. So this is some footage that we've preloaded, and it's a lovely 4K HDR TV. What do you think?
I think the frame concept works really, really well. I'm a fan.
I'm not a big fan of having your telly on the wall. I've always had it in the corner of the room, but that could easily change my mind.
I think it's very effective. I actually want even more definition. I want an 8K version, and I also want almost a depth effect so you can see the physical brush stroke.
It's so demanding, isn't it? What do you think?
I love it. I think it's really good.
We're going to soak up some art now, but still to come, we've got the latest gaming news and a Google Pixel versus proper camera picture quality showdown. Stay right where you are.
That's the one for me.
Oh.